Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your Cardinal Financial account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type www.cardinalfinancial.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of Cardinal. You can scroll down, look at all the features provided, but right now we only want to sign in. What you want to do right now is simply scroll over to the nav bar, and right here you will find something like My Loan. Hover over it and a drop down will open up. From here, let's go to Make a Payment. Now a new page will open up giving us two options, that is to sign in and create account. Simply click on the sign in button right here. Now right here in the sign in page, it's gonna ask us to enter our credentials, that is our username and password. Simply enter both of them. In case you forgot your username or password, here are the buttons right here that say forgot username and forgot password. Simply click on them and follow the prompts. That way, you can again regain access to your account. Once everything's okay, hit on this login button right here and then you will be directed to your Cardinal account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how we log into Cardinal account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.